Hi friends, today we are going to create this smoky text effect using CSS Animation. First, let me create an index.html with template HTML5 code and linking a style.css to it. In index.html, I am going to create the characters in individual span. Let us preview it once. In style.css, let me import the Google font Milonga. And for body tag, I'm adding that font family and font size of 90 pixel, background color black, color white, text align center, padding top 300 pixel so that the text appears in the middle of the screen, and finally overflow hidden to hide the scroll bar. With these styles, it will look like this. Now we need to apply the animation. For span tag, I'm adding animation property with values smoky, which is my animation name, and then 5-second duration, 3-second delay in both direction. Now let's create the animation using keyframes. In the start of the animation, we shall give a text shadow of 40 pixel, and during the end, let's change it to 20 pixel. Similarly, let's give opacity 1 at the start and change it to 0 at the end so that the text vanish. Now let's add another effect by adding transform property at the end of the animation, in which we shall use translate 3D to move the character little bit, rotate to a certain degree, skew X to skew the text to a certain degree, and finally scale to increase the size. Let's preview. We are not actually seeing any difference. That is because span is an inline element, and so these properties will not have any effect. So we need to add display inline block to span. Now we can see the effect. All the characters are getting transformed in the same direction. So I'm going to create an inverse of current transformation by changing the rotate property value and applying this to the alternate characters using nth child of even, so that it will be like this. Finally, we need to add a delay in executing the animation in each character. For that, let's use nth child and increase the delay by 0.3 second. And so we get this final effect. Also, I would like to show you the effect without adding inline block. And one more effect by reversing the start and end in animation. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and I will meet you in my next video. Thank you.